Welcome back to our 2-minute tutorial series. In this video, we'll show you how to manage your post-processing workflow. Let's start by clicking on the production module. Here's where we can have the full history of jobs created and their status. Your trial instance comes with a job that's already created. So let's imagine that this job has just been printed and is now ready for sorting. So we'll need to click on Manage Job and change the job status to Set to Printing. And now we're ready to manage the post-process workflow. Let's click on Sort Job. And now we can see all the items that were included in this job. It keeps all the relevant information with the file and allows you to review historical production performance data. When your batch comes out of the printer, you will be able to quickly identify the parts and verify the quantity and determine if the quality is acceptable. You can quickly validate each part to move it to the next step. If there is an issue with the print, we can quickly specify the type of error. This item is then sent back to the items backlog to reattempt printing. If all the items have an error, you will have the option to reject the item and specify the reason. This item is then sent to the rejected items list. The post-processing steps are fully customizable, so you can add or remove steps and arrange them as you prefer in the admin module. So now you can see how to use Fabpilot to manage your production workflow and post-processing steps. If you've been using Post-it notes, Kanban boards, spreadsheets, or just trying to keep track of things in your head, you will see how much more organized your lab can be with Fabpilot. Let us know what you think in the comments below.